How do you decide if an experience is therapeutic? What if we tell you that this experience is an outlet for energy and a safe environment where you forget all your worries, living in the moment just because it's nothing you've ever experienced before? You know, your everyday space can be your therapy. The perfect space doesn't exist except you make it your definition. Every now and then, we find ourselves looking to be in that cozy space, giving up our money just for that fulfillment. But have you ever wondered how, with the use of light, you can transform your space, and not just your space, even how you feel? There's one thing we can almost all agree on. Taking time for yourself is important. You can make as many memories only with the perfect light from everything nice. How about you give it a shot?